In this video, I will show you how to recover old deleted photos from your phone without using any software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then go ahead and click on Google search. Then go ahead and type in Google photo and hit on search. That's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on this first result right here, photos.google.com. Click on it, and then you will be asked to log in with your Google account username and password. After a successful login, it takes you to this interface. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Then scroll down right here. Click on settings. Then scroll down right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to open the suggestion. Then scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on unsaved creations. Go ahead and click on view. Then you have everything right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the old deleted photos right here. Just like so. So the more you scroll down, the more you see some of the old deleted photo right here. Just like so. So if you want to restore any one of them, all you have to do is to simply click on save right here. And you have successfully saved the photo and restore back. Click on view. And you have access back to the photo right here in your Google Photo. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.